So a lot of the cage is done. I still got to weld down the bottom, but the upper stuff is all welded in. I've even got the plates back there done. So the next thing I'm going to work on here is the intrusion bars for your feet. I got to cut the plate down to mount there, so I'm going to start working on that right now. All right, the cage is like 98% done. Everything is welded in except for the floor plates there, or they're welded mostly, but I've got to push the floor up some to kind of get that even. Same on those boxes. But as you see, I got the intrusion bar done. So the door bars are done. All of the other bars are done. I still got to do the harness bar, waiting on my seats. And I still got to do the dash bar, which probably can get done soon. I just need to fit the dash and kind of make sure that's going to work out. So yeah, next thing I'm working on, besides finishing touches on the cage, is the rear subframe. So I'm going to drop that out here soon, and I've got all my bushings and the subframe reinforcement to go ahead and do that, and that will be ready to rock. I'm not sure if I've shown my door, which I still got to cut more out of it. I didn't film a lot over the last couple weeks because I kind of fell behind on the cage. So I really was just rocking and rolling. But I'm kind of caught back up, I think. I feel like I am. So I'll start trying to film more. But I still got to cut more out. I'm going to cut this top section out of the door here. And then kind of trim up some of the outside edges. But it fits really nice. The door shuts really good. Just like that. Nice and tight. But then the cool thing is like, this is vertical. So you can see, like, I basically have all my interior space, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, I'm probably going to edit and upload this video. So it'll probably be a couple weeks worth of content. Not a lot, because like I said, I definitely missed out on filming because I was playing catch up. But yeah, so I'm caught up now. At least I feel like I am, and we'll definitely start recording. I intend to try to record as much of the subframe stuff. I think that the reinforcement is an important thing to kind of see, because I don't know if there's enough content out there about doing that. It's actually my first time doing it, so we'll kind of learn together. Anyway, thanks for watching. I will see you guys on the next one.